So good afternoon everyone, I'm Hirdey Vikram, I'm the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer with Netweb. So just to bring you more insight about what our product lines are and what do we do. So first of all, the complete product line what we have always focused on the strategy of addressing the problem areas of the market or problem areas of the customer. That's how we have evolved with our product line. We have never come out with the concept of introducing a new model for the sake of introducing a new processor to the customer. That was never the logic we have followed. And addressing the problem areas was the main fundamental rule we have been trying to stick to. So going with that logic, if you look at the product line number one, that is supercomputing systems in our case. We have first of all, today a product line which starts from 10 nodes and it can go up to 1,000 of nodes. Basically, we have been trying to address the all sort of requirements from the supercomputing fraternity actually. And secondly, if you look at the all layers of supercomputing systems, how these are built, the all layers be it compute, storage, interconnect, then the middleware which further comprises of resource manager, cluster manager, debuggers, compilers and all that. And on top of it, the application porting and optimization. There is something, the complete stack end to end, right from the designing of compute to the application porting and optimization is actually done by us in-house, and that is something which gives us a differentiated offering vis-a-vis our competition and also gives a lot of comfort to our customers and give ease of usage to our customers when they use our stack. If you go by the second product line what we have, that is private cloud and HCI. In this case also our focus has already been that we wanted to address the traditional infra challenges which organizations used to face. For example, buying the standalone servers, storage, and interconnect switches on top of it. Running the commercial software like some popular software which are available in the industry. So we have basically modernized that concept by providing a single unified platform called private cloud and HCI. And since 2016 and onwards, we have been providing our private cloud and HCI, and that's how we have been helping our customers to get rid of problems of facing those challenges of managing standalone hardware and managing those standalone software systems. And today we have got our complete stack in the form of private cloud, hybrid cloud, cloud native storage, HCI, and cloud tools which we provide as part of our private cloud and HCI. Third product line for us is the AI systems and enterprise workstations. In this case also, although we have been focusing on AI systems for almost last 10 years, but one of the best innovations we have done in last 5 years is by creating an AI systems in the form of an appliance loaded with our software called Qubits, which helps us to basically make the solution which can be used across 3 stages of AI. Number 1, the development stage, number 2, the training stage, and then the inference stage. So our unified appliance in the form of AI systems loaded with our stack called Qubits addresses the problem of providing differentiated hardware to our differentiated solution to our or different or multiple type of hardware to end customers. That is something what we have managed to address with our AI systems actually. Fourth product line is high performance storage. This is something which goes along with our supercomputing systems and AI systems. And again, we have got some of the best figures in terms of performance in case of our high performance storage. We have got multiple categories under the high performance storage as well. And in case of very high performance storage, we have been able to achieve some of the best results like 10 million IOPS is what we have delivered. We have also achieved close to 450 gigabyte per second as our throughput. So this product line goes along with our other product lines also, complement our complete stack. Then comes our data center servers. This is again, the area or the product line on which we have worked, by having a complete control over our designs. As you can see, we have got not just the run-of-the-mill systems actually. We have got complete range of systems. For example, GPU servers, all-flash NVMe servers, multi-node servers, then GPU servers, and then dense storage servers also. And this is something which is again helping us to have our complete stack get completed since we have got our own self-designed systems available with us. Last but not least, that we have got the 6th product line, that is software and services which we provide for our high-end computing solutions. This is a product line which is relatively new. We introduced in the year of 2020 and onwards we have been providing our services, and we are providing niche services. For example, building the private cloud for private 5G and even telco 5G. Then we are providing certain other niche services like designing and deploying private cloud and hybrid cloud, then application migration, then creating virtual cloud, virtual machine infra and virtual machine environment for the end customers. So these niche services are helping us to have more headroom in coming years to grow. And since we are seeing our one of the growth contributor can be our software and services, which is going to help us to have more growth in the coming years. Looking at the competition, yes, you can understand that this is something which is very interesting to know, that first of all, we are competing with only global OEMs of the world. And if you can see the product lines, what we have, 6 product lines, all these product lines are not being available with any of the global OEMs under the same roof. That helps us to basically be ahead of them. Secondly, if you pick any of the product line, be it private cloud, for example, we are competing with the likes of some of the prominent virtualization players of the world, and we have been helping our customers to eradicate the need of using multiple software licenses. Instead of that, we are providing a unified stack, unified private cloud stack. And that basically addresses the problem of end customers also. And then comes our second product line. If you, for example, if you want to look at like supercomputing, we are competing with the likes of some of the global OEMs, and they have got only the hardware piece available. They do not have the middleware stack available. They do not have application porting and migration or application optimization services available. Whereas we provide the complete stack, right from the compute to middleware to the application porting and optimization. That helps us to basically have our differentiated offering, and also we have been addressing the problem areas in each of the segments. So in this way, we have been ahead of our competition in many ways, and that is again helping us to outclass our competition. Then there have been certain important highlights or important factors who have always played in our favor, or have basically helped us to provide to maintain our relevance in the industry. So factor number 1 is that if you see, we are one of the most uniquest OEM who have got design, manufacturing and deployment capability, which is hardly available with any of the OEM of the world actually. That helps us to have absolute control over our hardware design, over our middleware design, and even help us to basically provide the deployment services to the end customer also. That is something which is required by customers these days. They do not want to bug themselves managing the standalone infra, standalone software, and that is something which is helping us. Second factor is that the industry or the market we operate in, this has got certain very relevant entry barriers. These entry barriers are what? These are the entry barriers in the form of that customers, whether it is a government enterprise or a private enterprise, they look for certain past experiences or the prerequisites in the form of exposure to certain type of solutions to be there with the OEM of the solution. That is something which is helping us to be in the market and maintain our relevance, because we have been providing our AI solutions, very high performance storage solutions, and even our supercomputing solutions for many years. And these are the prerequisites which are met by us by virtue of our in-house R&D capabilities, our in-house technical skill set capabilities. And there is something which addresses the entry barriers of the market. And usually there can be a anticipation that or a speculation that any wildcard OEM can come today and wipe off the business. That is something which is ruled out in our case, because these entry barriers are actually the prerequisites which are to be fulfilled by the OEM to be qualified for the customer requirements. Then third factor is that we have got complete focus on product development by virtue of our in-house R&D, and that is something which is evident from the fact that how we have come out with our complete engineered solution stack. Today we have got complete stack, complete solution right from the hardware to the middleware, and that is controlled by our solution called TCM, which is Talent Customer Management Suite. In case of private cloud and HCI, we provide Skyless, which is a complete unified platform for private cloud and HCI both. Then comes our third offering, which is again one of the uniquest innovation we have done in last 5 years, that is called Kubites, which is a unique innovation in the sense that we have containerized the pre-compiled applications and frameworks in order to provide a complete comprehensive AI solutions to customers to take care of their all 3 stages, requirements of all 3 stages of AI they want to work at. So with the help of our engineering solutions, again we stay ahead of our competition in many sense, and this factor actually plays in our favor in that sense. Then yes, we have talked about our product competency and the technical skill set we have, but another important factor is that how well we have retained our customers over a period of time. You'll be glad to see that today the revenue what we are generating from our repeat customers is something close to 90%. And on top of it, if you look at the average term Average age of top 10 customers in our case, counting from 2016 and onwards, is something which is close to 5 years. So these two factors clearly, reflect that how well we have retained our customers, and that could only be possible because we have got the premium product quality, our solutions are differentiated, and our services are actually satisfying customers for more than a decade now. And that is something which is helping us to retain our customers. Now, other factors like financials and all, I will request Prabhu to cover it for you.